Hey guys, I'm Beldi and welcome to this documentary.
This time I will share with you how I spend my time on this remote beach, and I will also share with you a night patrol on a rowboat on a river where we are trying to observe crocodiles. That also leads to my first time to see a baby crocodile. I've dedicated years traveling to some incredible places.
I'm Beldi and I'm a wildlife photographer.
Beauty on our project is my personal tribute to our planet, where I hope to my photography to convey the beauty of these species and the place they have in our world, and trying to help protect them, but also show the impact we have on them and their habitat. Support the project by choosing a membership on Patreon.
I would like to share a message with you. Whenever you visit a place, a beach or any place, natural place or any place on earth, please be respectful, okay? So please don't leave any trash, and I do recommend, if you can, and if you want, you can please bring a bag and or with you and collect some trash. I do believe that we are 8 billion people on this planet. I do believe that if each one of us does something, it will make a positive impact. Some scientists said that by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. So please be responsible, be a responsible visitor, don't leave any plastic, and have respect for the environment, for nature, wildlife, just basic common sense. So thanks for listening. Over 90% of the seabirds have microplastic in their bodies. Okay, try to imagine that. This is awful, right? So we don't want that. We do want all these animals, all these species to be healthy, all these natural places to be healthy and clean, right? I do believe that we all have the same goal, right? We do want to live on a healthy planet, so please be aware of it, please respect. We're in Majahuas, we did some cleaning and we saw a lot of trash. Some trash that are left by people that visit here, some trash that came from the sea, from the ocean. So please be respectful. Natural places don't really need what we bring, they are fine as they are, and we should all come together again as a big army to protect and preserve and all these places, right? So I do believe that you understand the message. In a short amount of time we managed to collect a big amount of trash and plastic. So plastic stays there, it never goes away. The same message is for wherever in the world. If you visit, do not leave any trash. Okay? Okay. Much love. Ciao! Questo è un messaggio per i miei cugini e nipoti. Innanzitutto tanti auguri Mia. So che presto sarà il tuo compleanno. Happy birthday dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday Mia! Sapevate che tra il 50 e l'80% dell'ossigeno che c'è sulla Terra proviene dall'oceano? E al contrario delle tartarughe marine, dove i piccoli nascono da soli, poi vengono alla superficie e vanno nell'oceano, i piccoli di coccodrillo hanno bisogno della madre, loro vocalizzano un richiamo per la madre, poi lei viene e scava nella terra dove c'è il nido, poi quelle uova che non si schiudono durante questo processo le raccoglie tra le fauci e schiaccia delicatamente il guscio per aiutare i piccoli di coccodrillo a lasciare l'uovo. Poi lei trasporta i piccoli con la bocca in una zona più sicura per loro. Bellissimo, no? Ciao bimbi! Ciao! Crocodiles and we'll ¿Cuál vamos a traer?
Yo recuerdo que me apasionaban los dinosaurios y todos los organismos prehistóricos. Cuando yo me entero por medio de los programas de educación ambiental que mencionan los cocodrilos que estuvieron inclusive antes que los dinosaurios, me atrapó completamente. Y yo estaba pequeño, muy chico, cuando vi mi primer cocodrilo. Era como un dragón, ¿no? No sé si me explico, y me emocionó tanto estarlo viendo.
Okay guys, so we are on this small panga, this small boat, and we're on the river now and we're looking for the crocodiles. We saw some, but they are very elusive. They are very shy, so you can see the eyes, the spark in their eyes, but then they go down. So we'll continue a little bit the patrol and we'll see how it goes.
Mira, ahí tienen huevos rotos en la orilla. El nido ahí está arriba, mira.
Sí.
Hay restos de cascarones, las hembras los bajan, pero los mueven a otro lugar, no los dejan aquí nomás. Ahí está, ya lo vi.
¿Dónde está?
Así, mira, ahí, te voy a acomodar. Sí, es un bebé.
Sí.
After that beautiful experience with the baby American crocodile, we proceed to explore a bit more. But I sincerely hope that I will never forget the incredible moments lived while observing this beautiful creature.
Hey guys, so we are back at the camp now. It was really an amazing experience. I realized that they are very elusive, so it's good. It's good for them. So yeah, it was incredible. At some point you could hear the babies. When they do this, can you make the sound? So when they do this sound, they are basically communicating. But of course we didn't do any of this to call them or anything like that, because we don't want to interfere with them. Good morning, everyone.
Two, three, four, five,
Six cats in total over here. Hello. They're looking at me like, oh, this is an unfamiliar face. Can you hear the chichalacas in the background? Time for a coffee. This coconut cake, it's so good. It's amazing, really. Mexican style. Looks like there are some islands there in the background. Far away from here, but I can imagine that there are like pelicans. Don't know what's the name of these islands, but they look very interesting, very beautiful. So I can imagine that it's a paradise for wildlife there, as it's quite remote.
Conforme vas aprendiendo más, conforme iba leyendo, iba involucrándome más con esta especie, todo lo que esta especie puede abarcar, la importancia de un ecosistema, cómo es que se aparean, cómo es que se reproducen, cómo es que ellos viven y lo que la sociedad piensa, es como un nuevo mundo aparte en el cual hace esta especie única, porque así como puedo creer que, o tengo yo la idea de que son tan buenos, pues otras personas no. Entonces el hecho de que ya empecé a trabajar, empecé a involucrarme, empecé a trabajar con comunidades pesqueras, con la gente de las localidades y principalmente la gente de mi pueblo, de mi localidad, me hizo todavía querer más y más y más y más a estos cocodrilos, porque los hacen como una clase de no sé cómo explicarlo, maravillosos, en pocas palabras. Please protect the crocodiles.
So, protect the crocodiles.
Majahuas te ofrece un contacto con la naturaleza directamente. Es por eso que pueden venir, conocer, aprender y conservar. Entonces, cuidando, todo es para nosotros.
Okay, gracias Luis to share this experience with us. And so, yes, if you come here, if you decide to visit this place, please take care of it and be respectful for the wildlife and nature itself. And don't leave trash. Much love. Bye guys.